Do you want to work at Southwest where you can get to travel for free? Well, if you're interested in that, stay with me to the end of this video and I'm going to be walking you through that position.
Welcome to the Wealth Legacy Movement, the space where we help you build your wealth legacy through entrepreneurship, side hustles, high-paying jobs, and real estate ownership.
I'm Sophia from the Wealth Legacy Movement, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you one position that is at Southwest Airline that you can do, and it pays good money. Let's now dive into this position. The position is Customer Service Supervisor, and this is not a remote position, but if you're living in the South Carolina, Myrtle Beach area, then this job would probably be a good fit for you. So let's go down this, just talking about what the company is. And here is the job description. So it says pay and benefits. Now the pay is $32.32 per hour. Depending on qualifications and experience, opportunities for overtime and shift premiums. For eligible leadership and individual contributor roles, additional bonus opportunities are available and awarded at the discretion of the company. Benefits you'll love. Remember, I talked to you about the free flights. All right, so it says fly for free as a privilege on any open seat on all Southwest flights. Your eligible dependents can also travel. Potential for annual profit sharing contribution toward retirement. When Southwest profits, you profit. That's simply what this is saying. All right, so they share the profit with you at the end of the year. Explore more benefits you love at this website. If you want to know more about the benefits that you will receive for this position, you can go to this website and check on the benefits. All right, a role that includes working assigned shifts based on seniority. Shifts can include early mornings, late evenings, weekends, and holidays. U.S. citizenship or current authorization to work in the U.S. required, and no current or future work authorization sponsorship available. So what this is saying, you must be a U.S. citizen, or at least you have a work permit or a green card to be able to accept this position. Okay, and this is just talking about equal employment and all those things. So you can go through these. Here they share some other responsibilities that you can go through on your own, right? The knowledge, skills, and abilities that you need to have to function effectively in this role. You can go ahead and check this out. The education, not applicable, meaning you don't need to have not even a GED or high school diploma, because it says NA, right? Experience, fully functioning, broad knowledge in airline operations management, customer service. License certification, must be able to obtain a secured identification display area badge and meet all local airport requirements. So these are just some additional things that you will need, but the good thing is that you don't need them to apply. Once you get the position, then you must be able to apply for these licenses. This is what it is saying. Physical abilities, you can read to see if you're able to do all of this. And other qualifications, just look at that. Pay amount does not guarantee employment for any particular period of time. All right, so 401k match, contributors are subject to the plan's vesting schedule and applicable IRS limits. So those are just some of the things. So if you want this job, I'm going to be dropping the link in the description and you can apply. You can apply for this position, and please let me know how it goes for you. If you've applied, if you've gotten a response, if you've gotten the job, Whatever it is for you, drop it in the chat and let me know how it went for you. Okay, if you've gotten value from this video, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell to be notified when we drop new videos. All right, the algorithm here on YouTube loves when you do that, so please engage with us, like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for YouTube to push our videos out to more people. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you soon. More blessing, friends.